prime factorization method. Prime factorization method, anyone? Prime factorization method or long division method, anyone? Let me solve this. Let me solve first one. 18. Let us do prime division, prime factorization method. 18. Factorize this. Prime number is 2. 2 9s are 18. Then 3 3s are 9. 3 1s are 3. Okay. Then prime factors of 24. We start with 2, 12, 2 6, 2 3. Wait. 3 1s are 3. Then prime factorization of 32. Start with prime number 2, 16, 2 8, 2 4, 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2. Okay. So we write 18 as 2 into 3 into 3. 2 into 3 into 3. Then we write 24 as 2 into 2 into 2 3 times into 3. 24 as 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. Then we write 32 as 2 into 2 into 2, 2 into 2 into 2 5 times. Now among these three prime factorization, which is the common? Which is the common number in all the three factorization? 2. This is my 2. 2 is common, 2 is common, 2 is common. Then 3 is there in these two, but 3 is not there. 3 is there, but 3 is not there. So only 2 number is common to all the three factorizations. So my SCF is 2. Highest common factor is 2. So this is prime factor. Do second one also. My dear, board is very much clear. And now do second one. So this is called prime factorization method. By prime factorization method, we find SCF. So this is called prime factorization method. Using prime factorization method, we find SCF. So we find the common factor of all the three numbers. The common factor of all the three numbers is 2, 2, 2. 2 is common. Only common factor is 2. So SCF of these three numbers is 2. SCF of these three numbers is 2. Start second one. Start second one. The SCF and LCM of two numbers is 16 and 96. SCF and LCM. SCF is 16, LCM is 96. Then one of the number is 32, find the other number. So you are given SCF is 16, LCM is so let me erase this part. Let me erase. My dear, you write it fast, no? What happened? I will remove from the group. If you will not behave like a student, you will be removed from the group. No, I have stopped, no. I have given you time to write, no? My dear, first question I have written very much early. You are not able to write on first question? My dear, I have admitted everybody. You cannot. I have to take care of all the students. I cannot wait for you for a long time. For me, my dear, you can see the video, no? Afterward. Second question. You can see the video. Now let me write second one. SCF and LCM of two number is, now what we are given? We are given SCF is 16. SCF is 16. Then second one, LCM is 96. Then if one of the number is 32, one number is given. One number is 32. Then find the other number. Find the other number. Now find the other number. Yes. Start solving. Second one. LCM is 16. SCF is 16. LCM is 96. One number is 32. Find the other number. Yes, mute the microphone. Now second. My dear, 38 is not the answer. 48. 48 is. Second one I am solving now, my dear. I have written what is given. Now this part I want to erase. You have to go with some speed, otherwise we cannot wait for a long time. Now this is the formula. SCF into LCM is equal to first number into second number. First number multiplied by second number. First number multiplied by second number. This is the formula. SCF into LCM is first number into second number. Now we substitute. What is SCF? 16. What is LCM? 96. Is equal to first number means one number, 32. Into second number we have to find. Second number we can write other number. Second number we write as it is, second number. Now we apply the rule of SCF into LCM is equal to first number into second number. Now this is my left hand side and this is my right hand side. This is my left hand side and this is my right hand side. On right hand side 32 is there in the multiplication. So when I will take 32 on the left side, 32 will go in the division. So that becomes 16 into 96 divided by 32. 32 will go in the division. Is equal to second number. We'll see. So 32 is there in the multiplication. 32 is there in the multiplication on right hand side. No. So 32 I will take it on the left side, it will go in the division. So now let us cancel 40. Now we can cancel numerator denominator. 16 2s are 32. Then you can cancel 96. 2 4s are 8. 2 8s are 16. 48 is second number. So 48 other number is equal to, or second number is equal to 48. This is the answer. Other number or second number is equal to 48. Yes, is it clear? Other number or second number is equal to 48. Very good. 32 into second number. Second number. So 32 is there in the multiplication on right side. So when I will take 32 on the left side, it will go in the division. You can cancel 16 to the 32, 214, 248, 96. So 48 is the other number or second number. Now, which part? Okay. 16 to the 32. 16 to the 32. Then 2 and 96. 2 4 the 8. 9 minus 8, 1, 16. 2 8 the 16. So second number is 48. You can cancel 96 with 2. That is 48. Yes. Now two problem I have solved. Two problem I want you to solve. Yes, I will explain. See, you are given SCF as 16, LCM is 96, one number is 32, find other number. So this is the formula. SCF into LCM is equal to first number into second number. SCF is 16 into LCM is 96 is equal to first number is 32, second number we have to find. This is my left side, this is my right side. On right hand side, 32 is there in the multiplication. When I will take 32 on the left side, 32 will go in the division. Now you can cancel 16 to the 32 and you can cancel 96 with 2. 2 4 the 8, 2 8 the 16. So second number is, yes, second number is 48. Find the SCF of, now two questions I have solved. I want all of you to solve two questions. Find the SCF of, find the SCF of, my dear, I have already explained. Okay, 36, 54, 36, 54 and 90. Now first you try, then I will explain. No? Fourth one, I will solve it, do not worry. Arey my dear, I am going to explain. No, have some patience. No, I will explain. No, the LCM, write down. First you write the question. No, the SCF and LCM, the SCF and LCM of two numbers. Start writing. Find the SCF of 36, 54, 90. The SCF and LCM of two numbers is 9 and 54. 9 and 54. My dear, I will remove you from the group. Our medium of instruction is only English. So take care of that. Be in the discipline. If one of the number is 27, if one of the number is 27, if one of the number is 27, find the other number. Find the other number. Start solving these two. Start solving, write down the answer. No? Now let me explain third one. Yes. Now those who have missed the explanation of first, let me explain this third one. Find the SCF of 36, 54 and 90. Well, 36, 54 and 90. We use हाँ, we use prime factorization method. 36 prime number 2 18, then 2 9s are 18, 3 3s are 9, 3 1s are 3. Prime factor, we find the prime factor of each number. Second 54, start with the smallest prime number 2 27, then 3 9s are 3 3s are 9, 3 1s are 3. Then 90, start with the prime number 2 45, then 3 15, then 3 5s are 5 1s are 5. So we write each number as the prime factorization. So we write 36 as 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. Then we write, we'll see, 54, 2 into, we write 2 into 3 into 3 into 3, 3 into 3 into 3. Then we write 90 as 2 into 3 into 3 into 5, 2 into 3 into 3 into 5. So now let us find a common factor. First common factor is 2, 2, 2. Then other common factor is 3, 3, 3. Then one more common factor, 3, 3, 3. Then there is no common factor. 2 is not common, 3 is not common, 5 is not common. So these are the common factors. So we write SCF as multiplication of these common factors. First common factor is 2 into second common factor is 3 into next common factor is 3. So 2 into 3 into 3. 2 3s are 6, 6 3s are 18. So SCF is 18. SCF is 18. Write down this. हाँ 18 is the fourth answer is 18. Fourth is also 18. Start solving fourth. Yes. Yes, get the answer. My dear, fourth one, what is there? SCF into LC. Revision. Okay. Revision. Now let us do fourth one. Fourth one I am writing in short. SCF into LCM. SCF into LCM is equal to first number into second number. In short I am writing. SCF is 9, LCM is 54. First number is 27, find second number. So now this second number 27 is there in the multiplication. So 27 will go in the division. 27 will go in the division. So 9 into 54 divided by 27 is equal to second number. Now we can cancel the number of numerator and 9 3s are 27. Then you can cancel 54 with 3. 3 3 1 जा 3 3 8 जा 18. हाँ. Yes, my dear. My dear, you cannot cancel 9 and 54 because 9 and 54 they are in the numerator. Both are in the numerator. You can cancel the terms of numerator and denominator. You cannot cancel the terms of numerator and numerator. No, you cannot cancel. 9 and 54 they are in the numerator. You cannot cancel. You can cancel numerator and denominator. You can cancel numerator and denominator. Is it clear? Yes. Do not make such mistake. Do not make such mistake. Then this is over. Answer is 18 is second number. 18 is second number. Yes. Now fifth question I am giving. Fill in the blank. Fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks. In proportion there are first. Is equal to first number into second number. Fill in the blanks first. In proportion. In proportion. In proportion there are dash terms. In proportion there are dash terms. 4 terms. In proportion there are dash terms. In proportion there first number into second number. Then second question. Second and third term of proportion are called second and third term mean term or middle term. Second and third terms of proportion are called you have to fill in the blanks. No, mean or middle terms. Mean term or middle term. Fill in the blanks. In proportion there are 4 terms. Then second and third term of proportion are called middle terms or mean terms. Middle terms or mean terms. This is the answer. You can write mean term, you can write middle term. It is up to you. Third question is not there. Now second answer is middle term or mean terms. Fill in the blank. In proportion there are 4 terms. Second and third term of the proportion are called middle terms. Now sixth one you have to solve. Now I will not solve anything. You have to solve. Enough I have solved. Find the SCF of find the SCF of 28, 36, 48. Then seventh one. Seventh one. Seventh one. You solve, if the LCM and SCF of two numbers, my dear, what I am giving that you solve, no? Why you are telling me to do? You are not, you does not seems to be in the discipline, my dear. Write on this. The SCF and LCM. The SCF and LCM of two numbers. The SCF and LCM of two numbers is, the two numbers are the LCM and SCF of two numbers are 72, are 6 and 72. 6 and 72. Wait. If one of the number is 18, if one of the number is 18, find other number. If one of the number is 18, if one of the number is 18, one of the number is 18, find the other number. Find the other number. Find the other. Start 6, 7. Start 6, 7. Start. Then start solving. I will not solve. You have to solve. Then 8th one. You have to practice. My dear, if there is no common factor, then what is the SCF? 1. If there is no seventh answer is 24. If there is no common factor, then SCF is 1. That you remember. Don't tell me 0. If there is no common factor, then you start. My dear, see here, the first prime number is 2. If 2 is not workable, then you will choose the second prime number 3. Instead of 2, you will divide with 3, no? Yes. Find x in the following. Find x in the following. This is from proportion. That is, find 9:5 is equal to 27:x. 9:5, then 4 dot. 4 dot means equal to 27:x. Start finding. Then 9. No, I have already explained, my dear. How many times I will explain? We have already explained. That you decide, no? By seeing the question you are not able to make out. Yes. Now write down an alloy contains hmm, hmm. If there is no common factor, then SCF will be 1. This I have already explained. If there is no common factor, then SCF is 1. An alloy contains 28% copper, then 42% zinc, and rest is iron. Find in grams. Find in grams the quantity of each of the content. Find in grams the quantity of each of the content. 15 is equal to. Find the quantity of each of the contents in the sample of 4 kg alloy. In the sample of 4 kg alloy. Start solving. Start. My dear, mute the microphone. Seventh question I am not using. Then 10th one, fill in the blanks. 10th one, fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks. First, x plus dash box is equal to 5 plus x. Second, 4a into 7b is equal to dash into 4a. Start. Write down. Start solving 10. 2 minutes are there. Start. My dear, 2 minutes are there. Solve up to 10. 2 minutes are there. Do not discuss orally. You send me on the WhatsApp. Do not discuss. Solve 10th one. X plus dash is equal to 5 plus x. Then 4a into 7b is equal to x plus 5 is equal to 5 plus x. 4a into 7b is equal to 7b into 4a. Yes. Yes. Very good. This video I will upload. Wait, let me check. Now let us stop because it is 11:21. We stop here.